I'm Jack from Jack Review Stuff, and today I have a telephone review.
Oh yes.
Yes, a telephone. People still use these.
Subscribe.
So this is a special telephone. It's a wireless telephone, and it comes in a pack of two. So it's two phones and two receivers. And let's go and open it. Why is Jack opening someone else's mail? Well, first of all, it's not. First of all, it's for a female.
Oh yes.
And secondly, she asked me to open it and like have a look and check it, charge the batteries, whatever. Unboxing! Since it's not mine, I gotta be careful with this. This is so well wrapped. In fact, the box is wrapped in bubble wrap.
Oh yes.
The box has bubble wrap, at least 2 layers, plus cardboard for protection. This is pretty good. I was mistaken. The cardboard actually is part of the box, but this is wrapped really well in bubble wrap plus another layer of sellotape, round tape. So basically, this is pretty much waterproof, but I'm not going to try it. Okay, what is this? KX TG4741. Two phones, two base stations. Oh, and one of the base stations has a number pad. So if you're not used to it, or if you're an older, you have like a mom or something that doesn't want to type into the phone, you can pick up and then type on a number pad as the old style. Who used the rotary phones? We should bring those back, but wireless. Specs. Most of these kind of phones are similar specs, but if you do cheap out and buy the really cheap one, there will be like interference and short range. This is a good one. This costs like well over 100 ringgit. Nickel metal hydride batteries. Good. Lithium batteries don't last very long. Nickel metal hydride batteries do. And they're user replaceable. If they die, then you can replace them with higher quality ones. Also from Lazada. Certificate. Oh, the thank you. Little thank you here. Please send us 5 stars. Okay. And there's a hello buyer. For some special reasons, there may be no user manual in some cases. But don't worry, you can download them from Google or contact contact with me, and we can send a user manual to your email address. This is actually, the language gets worse and worse. It said, first of all, it says MIWI, which is one word. Then it says, if it can't work, maybe suffer damage during transportation, please contact us for help. We will reply you when we see your message. Item is brand new and original, and we will test them. Good days. This is odd. Panasonic, why is your spelling and grammar out? Or maybe the seller, good effort seller for doing this. put it there themselves. I don't know. Okay, let's have a look. We have a couple of converter plugs. Yep, 3-pin to whatever China multi-world things. Consider free gift lah if you don't want to use them because they can be used for other things. And we have adapter. Oh yeah, China style, or maybe US style. They're quite similar. What is this? 5.5 volts, 500 milliamps. At 5.5 volts, they could have made these USB, but I guess that's what they prefer. What's this? Another one? Okay. Phone cable. Base station. Little sunflower keychain. I don't know why, but everyone likes free stuff. Can you see it? Does it work? Does it work? What is this? Silence my phone. Oh, okay. The phones are here. One base station is there. My phone. I use my phone to shoot. Base station number 1. Okay, phone goes in here. Pretty light thing. What's this say? Can you read this? Yep. 5.5 volts, 500 milliamps. Should be USB, but that's their choice. Oh yeah, the adapters. Consider free gift. 2 power adapters, exactly the same. This China plug. Focus. Focus. Ah, wow, so sharp. Power plug on the end. Touch the screen. Ah. What else we have? I'll unbox one phone. Wow, nice big buttons. Panasonic speakerphone, talk. Yep. What's this? Okay, the hands-free speaker is here. Oh, it's already inserted. 2 AA nickel hydrate. Now these batteries are the standard ones. They're okay lah, but if you buy the Xiaomi batteries or the Loop, you can find up to I think 700 or 800 milliamps. So when these batteries stop working, then you can replace with the high power ones. It's about 45 ringgit from Lazada. Oh yeah, the base station. Oh, this is good. This is chunky. Chunky monkey. Yeah. This is the kind of thing. So I pick up the phone. Where was it? Close it back. Yeah. One-handed. Okay, I suppose we teach you how to close it. Put it on here. Line it up. Slide it up. This goes here. And you should probably go beep or something. And then you see, it's 1, 2, 3, keyboard, and keypad, volume, stuff. What's this? Bluetooth? Okay, this is interesting. Not sure why, but okay. Actually, you know what? I like the idea of Bluetooth. So you can actually do hands-free with the landline. Most landlines don't have Bluetooth. So you can assume the other guy taking the phone, holding, oh, my hand's tired, oh, my hand's tired, oh, my hand's tired, oh, rest that hand. But now with Bluetooth, you can put on your ear and walk around, talk in the house. But don't go too far, 10 meters from the base station is Bluetooth. Okay, I'm not going to charge these batteries inside the phone. I'm going to put them in my third party. Third party can be branded also. You see, I'm using a branded charger, and it will charge these batteries safely and quickly. Okay, let me rephrase. Of course, these batteries would charge safely in these phones, but they're not designed for fast charging. I mean, these phones aren't designed for fast charging because there's no need. The phones are like charging all the time anyway. So I'm going to put it in my battery charger, and when it's charged, I put it back in the phone, wrap everything up, and it works, my friend. Subscribe, guys. And this is a pretty good phone. I've tried looking at Lazada. The seller I use is not selling it anymore, and the other two ones I've seen are both selling for around 245 ringgit and 250 ringgit. So I guess you can, I don't know, bargain hunt and just
Subscribe.
Thanks, guys.